Hey, to turn on your AirPods 4, all you have to do is just to simply open this charging case, and right now in the most cases you will get this pop-up notification, and you will have to just take a look for the settings and be sure that you are connected. Yes, as you can see, we are connected. Take a look. And if it is not working, then you can simply input them inside your ears. The left one and the right one. Just like this. And if it is still not working, then sometimes you will have to go here, click on this now playing, just tap on it once, and switch from your iPhone speaker to your AirPods 4. And that's basically it. This is like all the things that you have to do to simply turn on your AirPods 4. That will be all for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you have any issue with your AirPods 4, then I can recommend you to check out my channel because you can find a lot of useful options. I mean, videos and tutorials.